All right, today I am going to do an unboxing and replacing the battery on my Roomba. Right here, I just got a battery from iRobot Roomba. It's a long life battery, and I'm going to be replacing it with the old battery, which can no longer hold a charge. So I have the iRobot Roomba. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And you see inside here is the iRobot Roomba battery. It has instructions on how to install the new battery right here, how to install the new battery. It shows on the pamphlet right here. It's a little quick guide on how to install it right here. It shows how to place it in. So now what I have to do is I have to open up this and place the battery inside. So on the battery right here, it has a serial number on here. It has serial number on here, and it also has the battery and iRobot Extra Life Extended Battery. It says it right down there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the Roomba. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right here, the sweeper. Make sure that this you take this off. Make sure you don't lose the screws. I'm going to place it in the box right here. And then I'm going to just raise this up. So in order to pull it up, I just pull it like that and it comes up. And then I'm going to find the screws. Right here they have arrows that are pointing to the screws that need to come off. I'm just going to go over here and unscrew the screws. Right here, there's 4 of them. Just going to go ahead and unscrew the screws. They shouldn't be in too tight. They should come out relatively easy. All right, and there's one right here by the wheel, and there is another one by the other wheel right here. All right, so once I've unscrewed those, I'm just gonna go ahead. You can either take the screws up so they don't pop off, or you can gently raise it up right here so you can pull that off, place it to the side. And here is the old iRobot Roomba battery. And you see how it's in right here? It has this right here so you can pull up. All right, you can pull this up and it comes off easily. So I'm gonna pull that up and it comes out. I'm gonna have to toss this right here, the battery. And then I'm going to put in the new battery. And remember, look down here, line it up so these line up to down there, to on the connections right there. And you see it has this right here, so you cannot put it in the wrong way. So I'm gonna line it up with this right here, and it's gonna slide in. If you wanna hold it like this, go for it, knock yourself out. And then just slide it down in there. Do you hear that? It says it means it's connection. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this on. If you want to, you can go ahead and clean some of this stuff out. This would be an opportune time to clean some of this stuff off if you want to dust this off or whatnot. Clean off the sensors. But I'm not going to do that right now for the sake of the video. I'm going to place it back here. And then I'm going to go ahead and tighten the screws up. One by the wheel. One at the front. There's actually 2 at the front. Right there. One more right here. And then another one right here. All right, and then remember the propeller, the sweeper, side sweeper. Go ahead and put that right there. And then I'm going to take this screw, this small screw, be careful because it's small and you might lose it, and then place it into place right here and screw it in. You don't have to over screw it. And then you can turn it over and it turns on. And that's how you replace the battery. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.